Have you ever noticed that even when you know all the financial tips, once it's your own money on the line, you still can't resist chasing highs and selling lows? The book The Psychology of Money points out that the problem isn't knowledge, it's mindset. First, remember this: returns are never free. Every investor who enjoys long-term gains has already paid the ticket price, enduring volatility and drawdowns. The stock market does reward patience, but only if you can survive the downturns. If you see a loss as punishment, you'll panic and exit. But if you see it as a ticket you must pay to get on the compounding ride, you'll have the resilience to stay invested. Second, never use someone else's map to navigate your own journey. The book shares a powerful contrast. Ronald Read, a humble janitor and mechanic, quietly saved and invested for decades, leaving millions behind. Meanwhile, a high-earning Wall Street executive went bankrupt after reckless spending and over-leverage. The difference wasn't IQ, it was behavior. That's why you need your own financial portrait. How much volatility can you handle? Do you have big expenses coming up? How stable is your income? These factors, not someone else's strategy, decide what works for you. Third, beware the lure of pessimism. Bad news grabs our brains faster than progress does. Headlines scream crash and crisis, while real progress is often quiet, steady, and compounding in the background. If you can separate short-term noise from long-term trends, you won't let fear rob you of future opportunities. And finally, be cautious with stories that sound too good. Guaranteed profits, housing prices always rise. These are seductive but dangerous. Our brains cling to stories more than to numbers. So every time you hear one, pause and ask, if I'm wrong, can I live with the consequences? In the end, investing is not about who's the smartest, but who can manage their mindset. Losses are the ticket. Your journey is unique. Pessimism is just noise, and stories aren't strategies. That's the real wisdom in the psychology of money.